x1 is 9. So x1 is 1 and y is 9. Now equation of tangent passes through 1, 9. Y minus y1 m. Slope of tangent is equals to 4. 4x1 is equals to 4. X minus x naught. 4x minus 4. So 4x minus y minus 4 plus 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Clear? Let's go to the next question. Find the equation of normals to the curve 3x square minus y square is equal to square, which is parallel to the line x plus 3y is equal to 4. X plus 3y is equals to 4. First, let x1, y1 be the required point. Then this point will lie on the given curve. Differentiate it with respect to x. 6x minus 2y dy upon dx, derivative of it is 0. Minus 2y dy upon dx is equals to minus 6x. So what we get? 3x upon y. At point x1, y1 we get 3x1 upon y1. Now slope of the given line minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. These lines are parallel, so their slopes will be equal. 3x1 y1 1 upon 3. 9x1 is equals to y1. 9x1 is equals to y1. Now we want to find the slope of normal. When x1 is minus 2, y1 is minus 2. Now the equation of normal. When it passes through point 2, 2, y minus y1, slope of normal is equals to minus 1 upon 3 x minus x1. So 3y minus 6 minus x plus 2. X plus 3y minus 6 minus 2. Now the equation of normal when it passes through minus 2, 2, minus 2. Y minus y1, slope of normal x minus x1. 3y plus 6 minus x minus 2. X plus 3y, 6 plus 2 is 8. Note it down. Next one is find the equations of tangents to the curve x cube plus 2x plus 6, which is perpendicular to the line x plus 14y plus 4 is equals to 0. Let x1, y1 be the required point that will lie on the given curve. So y1 is x1 cube plus 2x1 plus 6. Let this equation 1 and this as 2. Now differentiate 1 with respect to x. Derivative of x cube, derivative of 2x, constant term is 0. Now slope of tangent at point x1, y1, 3x1 square plus 2. Now slope of the line is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Now it is given that these are perpendicular, therefore product of their slopes will be minus 1. Let this as m1, this as m2. These are perpendicular, so m1 into m2. 3x1 square plus 2 minus 1 upon 14 is equals to minus 1. So 3x1 square plus 2 is equals to 14 minus 2, 12. x1 square is 4, so we get x1 as plus minus 2. When x1 is 2, then y1 is 2 cube, 2 into 2. When x1 is minus 2 cube, minus 2 into 2. So we have point 218 minus 2 minus 6. Now write equation of tangent. Equation of tangent when line passes through 218, y minus y1, slope of tangent dy upon dx at this point m1 is equals to minus 1 upon m2, minus 1 upon m2, that is equals to 14. So y minus 18, 14x minus y minus 28 plus 18. Now equation of tangent when it passes through point minus 2 minus 6. Y minus y1, slope of tangent x minus x1. 14x plus 28. So 14x minus y, 28 minus 6, 22. 14x minus y plus 22 is equals to 0. Note it down. Now the next one is find out all the tangents to the curve y is equals to cos of x plus y minus 2 pi less than x less than is equals to 2 pi that are parallel to the line x plus 2y is equals to 0. Let x1, y1 be the required point. So this point will lie on the curve. Let this as equation 2 and this as 1. Now differentiate 1 with respect to x. Derivative of cos is minus sine. Derivative of x is 1, y is dy upon dx. Is it clear? Now we want to find the value of dy upon dx at x1, y1. Now slope of this line is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Now slope of this at x1, y1 is minus sine x1 plus y1, 1 plus dy upon dx at x1, y1. Is it clear? Now these are parallel. Therefore, m1 will equals to m2. So we can write it as minus 1 by 2 is equals to minus sine x1 plus y1 1 plus dy upon dx at x1, y1. Clear? Minus minus will get cancelled here. From here, what we get? dy upon dx, this slope, let this as m1 is equals to m2. m2 is minus 1 by 2. So instead of this, we can write it as minus 1 by 2. Clear? कैसे लिखा हमने यहाँ पे? Because m1 is equals to m2, so this value m1 is equals to m2. So dy upon dx at x1 y1 will be equals to minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So sine of x1 plus y1 is equals to 1. Sine of x1 plus y1 is equals to 1. Let this equation as 3. Now squaring and adding second and 3. y1 square plus 1 is equals to sine square x1 plus y1 plus cos square x1 plus y1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So what we get? y1 as 0. Clear? y1 is equals to 0. Put value of y1 equals to 0 in equation 2. So cos of x1 is 0. Cos की वैल्यू हमारे पास 0 कब होती है? Cos 90 is 0 and between this interval at minus 3 pi by 2 is 0. Now we have the point. Now we can find the equation of tangent. So equation of tangent, when it passes through pi by 2 0, y minus y1 is equals to slope of tangent is equals to minus 1 by 2 x minus x naught. So 2y minus x plus pi by 2 minus 2x plus pi 4y. So we get 2x plus 4y is equals to pi. And equation of tangent when it passes through minus 3 pi by 2 and 0. Y minus y1, slope of tangent x minus x1. 2y minus x minus 3 pi by 2. Take the LCM. So what we get? 2 into 2, 4y minus 2x minus 3 pi. So 2x plus 4y plus 3 pi is equal to 0. Note it down. Next one is, for the curve y is equals to 4x cube minus 2x power 5, find all the points at which tangent passes through origin. Let x1, y1 be the required point. Then y1 is equals to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 power 5. Now differentiate with respect to x. 12x square 10x power 4. Value of this at point x1, y1 will be x1 square minus 10 x1 power 4. Now equation of tangent at point x1 pi 1, y minus y1, slope of tangent at x1 y1, x minus x1. यही वैल्यू है हमारे पास. So what we get? Y minus y1 12x1 square minus 10x1 4, x minus x1. Now it is given that equation of tangent passes through origin y0 and x is also 0. So what we get? Minus y1 minus minus will get cancelled. 12x1 cube minus 10x1 5. यही आया हमारे पास. Let this equation as 1 and this as 2. Subtract these equations to find the value of x1 and y1. 4x1 cube minus 2x1 5. 12 minus 4 8 minus 10 plus 2. So 8x1 cube 1 minus x1 square. So x1 is 0, x1 square is 1. So x1 is plus minus 1. Is it clear up to here? Now put the value of x1 0, 1 and minus 1. y1 is 4 into 0, 2 into 0. 4 into 1 cube, 1 power 5. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 power 5. Minus 1 minus minus plus 2. So the required points are 0, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Next one is find the equation of all lines of slope 1, minus 1 and tangents to the curve y is equals to 1 upon x minus 1. Let x1, y1 be the required point. Then y1 is equals to this. Now differentiate y, derivative of 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of x is 1, 1 is 0. So minus 1 upon x minus 1 square. Now it is given that slope of all lines is equals to minus 1. So what we get? Minus 1 upon x1 minus 1 square minus 1. So x1 minus 1 whole square is 1. That is equals to plus minus 1. जब इधर से square हटाएंगे, clear? Now from here we can find the value of x1. Minus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now y1 is 1 upon 2 minus 1. 1. So x is 2, y is 1. x1 is 0. 0 minus 1. y1 is minus 1. Clear? Now what we want to find? Find the equation of all lines. Now equation of tangent when it passes through 2, 1. Y minus y naught, slope is given minus 1, x minus x naught, minus x minus minus plus 2, x plus y, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. So x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now equation of tangent when it passes through 0 minus 1. Y minus y naught, slope is minus 1, x minus x naught. So what we get? X plus y plus 1 is equal to